Good day guys, welcome back to the channel. So don't forget to subscribe. Make sure you click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, and also follow the Telegram channel. I'll put the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. So let's see what we'll be expecting for the day on our Euro JPY. So let's start with our trend. If you have to zoom it out properly, you will see that our overall trend on Euro JPY is an uptrend move and it is trending upward. On our current trend, we are also trending to the upside. Now, I want you guys to be careful as this massive bullish move has been made. Now, be expecting a sell, which will serve as a pullback. As we can see something like this. This is our high. This is the higher low. This is also the higher high. Here comes the higher low, right? Market has given us this higher high. So our next movement on EURJPY is an higher low. So expect that pullback. Do not open oil for the buy again. We should be expecting a pullback. Once the pullback plays out, then I'm going to give you guys an update on when the next buy would likely happen again on JPY.